Hello. So at the beginning of chapter 5, we're looking at the getting started part with the dragon boats. And the question here is, how many more people do they need to fill the remaining dragon boat? And remember, if you read ahead of time, it said that 56 people have registered. That means that there are 2 full boats and another one that's 1/3 full. So the question is, how many more people do they need? Well, we need to fill up the other 2/3 of the boat. So we'll get to that. So in A, the first question is, if you know the number of people in a full dragon boat, how can you determine the number of people in 3 full boats? Well, if n is the number of people in one full boat, so we don't know how many people exactly, but let's say that there's n people that make the number in one full boat, then 3n is the number of people in 3 full boats. Question B says, how does 2 and 1/3 describe the current number of full boats in this race? Well, we have 2 full boats, and we have the other boat is 1/3 full. So 2 and 1/3 represents 2 full boats and 1/3 of the third boat. So in question C it says, write a relation between the number of people, n, in each full boat and the total number of people in all the boats. So if T is the total number of people in all the boats, then 2 and 1/3 n, or that would be T equals 7/3 n, same thing as 2 and 1/3, then 2 and 1/3 n represents the total number of people in the boat. And D asks, what equation can you solve to determine the number of people in one full boat? Well, we know that there are 56 people in total that have registered for the dragon boat race. So we can say that T is equal to 56. And if we use this form, that's equal to 7/3 times the number of people in one boat. Well, if we want to find how many people there are in one boat, we need to get n by itself. So we've seen that before. We can multiply both sides by 3. That'll look like this. And that gives us 168 is equal to 7n. And then if we divide both sides by 7, then n is equal to whatever 168 divided by 7 is, or 24. Well, E goes on to say, solve your equation to determine the number of people in one boat, which we've already done. That's right here. So I'm just going to write off to the side here. Finally, F says, find out how many other people are needed to fill the third boat. Well, we know that there are 56 people in total registered, and there are 24 people per boat. So if we subtract 2 times 24, so 2 full boats, that's like saying 56 minus 48, and actually, yeah, so 56 minus 48 gives us what, 8? So if there's 24 people in the full boat, and we've got 8 in that third one, then 24 minus 8 equals 16. We need 16 people to fill the third boat. We could have also said there are 3 full boats minus 56, or 70, what's that come out to, 72 minus 56 equals 16. We need 16 people. So 2 different ways to do that.